Linus Torvalds is a Finnish-American software engineer best known for creating Linux, one of the most important pieces of software in the modern world. Linux is the foundation for countless systems we rely on every day, including servers, smartphones, supercomputers, cloud platforms, and even the computers that control aircraft and medical equipment. What makes his story remarkable is that Linux did not start as a corporate product, a government-funded project, or part of a high-budget research lab. It began as the side project of a quiet university student who simply wanted to build something better for himself and for others. Linus Torvalds was born in 1969 in Helsinki, Finland. His family was academic and intellectual, and books, learning, and debate were part of everyday life. As a child, Torvalds was deeply curious, especially about computers. In the 1980s, personal computers were still rare and expensive, but Linus found his way into computing through the VC-20 and later the Sinclair QL. These computers were basic compared to today's technology, but they allowed him to learn how machines work from the inside out. His interest wasn't just in using computers. He wanted to understand how software behaved, how the system responded, why certain things worked, and how to make them better. This curiosity shaped his future. Linus entered the University of Helsinki to study computer science. It was there that he encountered Minix, a small educational operating system that was used to teach how systems worked. Minix was useful, but it was not designed for real-world use. It had restrictions, was closed source, and could not be freely modified. Linus wanted something more flexible, something that developers everywhere could study, modify, and improve. So in 1991, he started building his own operating system kernel, the core brain that controls how software and hardware interact. This was not intended to become a global movement. It was simply a curiosity project, something he worked on for fun. But then he did something revolutionary. Instead of keeping his work private, Linus posted a now famous message on an online forum asking others if they wanted to try the system and contribute ideas. Instead of controlling the project tightly, he invited the world to improve it. This message ignited something enormous. People from different countries downloaded the code, modified it, and sent improvements back. Linus reviewed the contributions, guided the development, and maintained the direction of the project. Very quickly, Linux became a global collaborative effort, a new way of building software. Linux was different from other operating systems for three key reasons. It was open source. Anyone could view, change, or distribute the code. This encouraged learning, transparency, and innovation. It was free. Companies didn't need to pay licensing fees to use Linux. This made it especially appealing for research labs, startups, and large corporations. It was powerful and stable. Linux was built with quality and flexibility in mind, making it ideal for servers, networking systems, and embedded devices. Linux did not try to be flashy, it tried to be reliable. And reliability is what computers need most. Today, Linux is everywhere, often in places most people never notice. Most of the world's servers run Linux, including those that power Google, Amazon, Facebook, and financial systems. Android phones, used by billions of people, are built on the Linux kernel. All of the world's top supercomputers run Linux. The International Space Station uses Linux for stability. Routers, TVs, cars, drones, and other embedded devices depend on it. Linux has become the backbone of the internet and modern computing. This happened not because of advertising or corporate push, but because millions of people believed in collaboration and quality. Linus's influence did not stop at Linux. In 2005, he created Git, a system used to track changes in code when many people work on the same project. Git is now the standard tool used by developers worldwide. Platforms like GitHub are built on top of it. So, in a sense, Linus built both. The platform powering today's digital world and the collaboration tool used to build software globally. Linus Torvalds is not a flashy personality. He has described himself as introverted and more interested in elegance of logic than in public recognition. He is direct, sometimes blunt, and values clarity and correctness over politeness when solving problems. Yet his leadership style is consistent. Guide the project, review contributions, and keep the system clean and stable. His strength is not dramatic inspiration. It is persistence, discipline, and unwavering standards. Linus Torvalds is the creator of Linux, the operating system that became the backbone of modern computing. Starting as a university project, Linux grew into a global, open-source collaboration shaping the internet, mobile technology, research, and embedded systems. Torvalds also created Git, now the worldwide standard for software version control. His story shows how one person with curiosity, discipline, and openness to collaboration can build something that changes the world. In short, Linus Torvalds didn't just create software. He helped shape the digital age.